How to turn on endurance mode on Insta360 X5. Scroll down to your control panel, swipe towards the left-hand side and you'll see endurance mode option. Tap on it. Now over here, you can see that if you enable endurance mode, your battery life will run for a long time, which means that you won't run out of battery soon if you enable endurance mode on your device. Now over here you can see that these are the features that will be supported under endurance mode when it has been enabled. Now again, these are the features that will be disabled when endurance mode has been turned on. You can see all of the features that won't be active or enabled when endurance mode is turned on. Now all you would have to do is select on the option of enable. And with that, you will successfully be able to turn on endurance mode. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.